Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Audible.
yes. Today, have you prepared for periodicity?
Yes, sir. Prepared.
First, basic. What is periodicity?
Sir, the repeating of the physical and chemical properties of elements.
How many elements present in periodic table?
118.
What the basic difference? S block, P block, D block, F block element.
S block element are mainly strong metallic elements consisting of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. P block consists of non-metals, and D block consists of transition metals. Uh, they act as a bridge between P, S, and P block elements. Uh, their properties are in between S and P block elements.
What the electronic configuration of S block, P block, D block, F block element?
Electronic configuration. But
S block.
NS
We will discuss only S block. Now discussing only S block, alkali metal and alkali earth metal. Describe one by one.
NS2 and P6.
Yes, S block NS1 and NS2.
NS2 and P126.
Yes, P block.
P block uh, NS2 and P.
Yes.
Sir, not sure.
NP 1 to 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
13 elements block is a boron family.
Yeah, boron family, then carbon family, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen.
Yes, yes. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes. What the difference? Medley periodicity and modern periodicity.
Mendeleev periodicity, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic function of atomic mass, whereas in modern periodic table, the physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic function of atomic number. And inert gases were included in modern periodic table, which were absent in Mendeleev's periodic table. And there is uh, and hydrogen was given position in group 1. In Mendeleev's, had position of hydrogen was not sure, certain.
Yes. First is alkali metal. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Is what the physical properties of alkali metal. Can you describe one by one?
So their oxides and hydroxides, they form strong alkalis with water when dissolved in water.
Is what the color of alkali metal element? Do you have any idea?
No, sir. Actually, that is not in this. I mean, from where I read, that part was given in S block, a separate chapter.
Yes, yes. Basic. Today only basic in periodicity. No? Yes. Yes, you talk about the inert gases. What is inert gas? Do you have any idea inert gas?
Inert gases are elements from group 18, and they're generally non-reactive in nature. They have a high ionization enthalpy and zero electron affinity. They do not react with uh, other elements because of noble gas configuration.
Yes, how many noble gas? Inert gas.
Helium, neon, argon, xenon, krypton, xenon, radon.
Yes, what the difference between hydrogen and helium? Why is hydrogen present in S block element S1 and S1 alkali metals, and why is helium is present in inert gases? What the difference?
Helium has fully filled orbitals, so it is non-reactive, very hard to react. Whereas hydrogen has a single electron, it reacts and form alkalis with water, shows metallic properties.
Yes, P block elements, basic only. What the difference between metal and metalloid and non-metal?
Are, so not seen, not read.
How many elements present in periodicity in a liquid form?
Mercury and bromine.
And
Answer, I don't know. Mercury, I know just mercury and bromine.
mercury, bromine, cesium, rubidium, francium, gallium. Totally six element in periodicity. What the main basic principle of P block element?
Basic principle.
Yes, basic idea of P block character.
They're non-metallic in nature, and they're non-metals, and most of them exist as gases, some as liquids, and
Yes, yes. What the basic difference halogen and inert gas? Halogen element and inert gas. Fluorine.
halogen have one electron short for an stable configuration, whereas inert gases already have a stable configuration. And halogens, they have high electronegativity and high electron affinity, and inert gases show zero ele electron gain enthalpy.
What the electronic configuration of halogen element?
Halogen,
P5 na? NH2 P5. NH2
NH2,
P6 is
NH2 and
that.
P5. NH2 P5 and P5.
Yes, yes. What the difference between electronegativity and affinity?
Electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself, whereas electron affinity is the amount of energy that is released when uh, an atom accepts an electron.
It's called
An electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy is negative, whereas electron affinity is positive.
ionization potential.
Ionization potential is the amount of energy that is required to remove an loosely bound electron from an gaseous atom. From an atom. Or,
Yes, basic. Next, move on D block element. Transition
yes,
element. Can you describe transition? What is transition element?
sir, not audible.
D block element. D block.
Yes, sir. D block. After that, what you said?
Yes, D block element. What the feature, chemical property D block?
Uh, so they are known as transition metals, and they they act as an bridge between S and P block elements. So they have characteristics in between of metal and non-metal. And their atomic radii is very similar. Not much differences there, and they form colored compounds, and they show higher oxidation states.
What the electronic configuration?
NS2 N-1D 1 to 10. NS2 N-1 1 to 10.
Inner transition element and outer transition element. What the difference?
Inner transition elements, the last valence electrons, it gets filled up in the uh, anti-penultimate cell F orbital, subcell F orbital. F orbital of the anti-penultimate cell, and before the d orbital of penultimate cell. And in transition elements, the last electron gets filled up in d orbital of the valence cell.
Yes. What is effective nuclear charge?
Effective nuclear charge is the force of attraction between the nucleus and the outermost cell electrons. It is denoted by Z star. Z star is equal to Z minus sigma, where Z is atomic number and sigma is shielding constant or screening constant.
Screening effect. What is screening effect? Shielding effect.
The inner cell electrons, they show uh, repulsion, they repel the outer shell electrons. So the outer shell electron, they experience less effective nuclear, less force of attraction by the nucleus. So the result, effective nuclear charge is less on them.
What is covalent radii? What the difference between covalent radii, ionic radii?
Covalent radius is uh, distance between the nucleus of two covalently bonded atom by 2 is covalent radius. And ionic radius is the distance between nuclei of two uh, atoms in an ionic bond. Covalent radius is very small in compared to van der Waals radius or metallic radii.
Metallic radii. What is metallic radii?
The distance between the nuclei of two metal atoms in a metal divided by 2.
Van der Waals radii.
Van der Waals radius is distance between the nucleus and the electrons when they do not form any bonds. For example, in helium, neon, and argon.
Yes. What the stability order of metallic radii, van der Waals, ionic?
Sir,
Order of increasing stability order. Van der Waals radii, metallic radii, covalent radii.
van der, and van der Waals radius is greater than metallic radii, which is greater than covalent radius.
Yes, good. What the difference between uh, oxide, peroxide, and superoxide in S block element? First
Uh,
basic is what is oxide and peroxide, superoxide. What the
Oxide
compound?
is O2, O2, O2 2 minus.
Yes, yes. Oxide. Yes, right.
O2 2 minus and uh, hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen.
O2 2
And
negative.
peroxide is O2 minus. Peroxide is O2 minus.
O2 2 minus peroxide.
Oxide is O2 2 minus. Peroxide is O2 minus.
Superoxide. Superoxide is O2 minus.
Achha. O2 minus.
But the increasing order of oxidizing power of oxide, peroxide, superoxide.
So I think oxide is O2 minus and superoxide is O2 2 minus. Peroxide is O2 2 minus.
Yes, once again, oxidizing power, increasing order of oxidizing power is order is first is
Sir, oxide, then peroxide, then superoxide.
yes, right. Yes, what the main purpose of chemical periodicity in chemistry?
Uh, Main purpose is that we can classify elements which have similar physical and chemical properties, so that they can be grouped together, and we can. It is easy to study them. It can be easy to study them.
Is what the difference between half filled, full filled orbitals in S block, P block, D block, F block? What the stability order?
Field is so stability order is P6, then greater than D10, greater than P3, greater than D5.
Yes, good. Next, move on F block element. What the feature of F block element? Lanthanide and actinide. Can you describe?
They're also known as inner transition elements, and they're present in group 3, and the last valence electron gets filled up in F orbital of the anti-penultimate cell, and they are also known as rare earths. Like in lanthanoids are known as rare earths, rare earth metal, as they are very rare to find in earth crust. Lanthanoids are from atomic number 57 to 71, while as actinoids are from atomic number 89 to 103.
Yes. What the oxidation state?
So oxidation state, I don't know.
Yes, plus 3 is stable in lanthanide and variable in actinides. Any other point of F block element? Any feature?
No, sir. Actually, it was not in that periodicity class. So
Yes, yes.
about
Basic
not
only.
this. Yes. So
Basic.
I don't know.
S block, P block, D block, F block element. Any drawback? Any drawback of limitation of periodicity?
So Mendeleev's periodic table.
Whole periodicity. One by one, any? Mendeleev.
So modern periodic table or Mendeleev's.
Both one by one.
So the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table was that hydrogen's position was not certain. It was present in both group 1A and 7A, and lanthanoids and actinides were not uh, grouped together and were not given any group. And Lanthanoids and actinides are not given any group, and
Yes, Mendeleev periodic drawback is hydrogen. Yes, you talk. Atomic mass, isotopes, lanthanide, actinide, novel gases, element different properties. Yes, isotopes were not given separate places according to Mendeleev. They
yes,
were
sir.
drawback.
Yes. And
Then
order of increasing
yes,
order of increasing atomic mass was also not strictly followed. Argon was placed before potassium, and argon had atomic mass of 39.9, while potassium had 39. So order was not correct.
yes. Novel gases. What about novel gases?
Noble gases were not included in classification of Mendeleev's. Vacant sites were given for undiscovered elements like Eka aluminum and Eka silicon.
Yes. Elements with large difference in properties were included in the same group.
Yes.
Here is the drawback of Mendeleev. Yes, good. Next one, modern periodic table for the drawback limitation.
Modern, sir, I have not read.
Hydrogen, first is hydrogen. It's not clear if hydrogen should be in group 1A or 7A.
7A.
Isotopes, there is no place for isotopes of element in the periodic table.
Yes, sir.
Next, size of complexity. The long form of the periodic table can be large and complex. Next, lanthanide and actinide also drawback. These elements are kept separate from the main table. Modern periodic table drawback.
Yes, sir.
Whole periodic table, any drawback? Whole periodic table, any 4-5 point?
The previous like Dobonian triads and Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev's uh, periodic table, they all were classified on the basis of atomic mass. So those are not accurate. Modern periodic table, it was classified on basis of atomic number.
S block, P block, D block, F block. Elements. Yes, basic point is clear according to periodic table and periodicity.
Sir, you told we'll do some questions given in government exams.
Yes. What the formula of effective nuclear charge?
Effective nuclear charge Z star is equal to Z minus sigma, where Z is atomic number and sigma is shielding constant or screening constant.
Yes. Yes. What the electronic configuration of F block element? Most important question. F block element is a actinide, lanthionide. Basic.
Uh, N minus 2 F 1 to 14 and NS 2 N minus 1 D 1 to 10.
Yes. It's a simple electronic configuration. Suppose one example is cerium. What the electronic configuration of cerium? The important question.
Uh,
Do you have any idea?
can tell, sir.
4
No,
F1,
sir. No.
5D1, F6S2.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन कई एग्जामों में आया हुआ है बहुत टाइम से. Is what the oxidation state plus plus 2 oxidation state present in lanthanide element?
Sir, plus 2 oxidation state?
Present in lanthanide element.
No, sir.
How
Don't
many
know.
elements show in plus 2 oxidation state? EU and YV plus 2. Yes, europium,
Yeah, European and
yttrium, yttrium plus 2 oxidation state. Yes, no. Plus 4, most important question in government exam. Plus 4 oxidation state.
no, sir. No idea.
Cerium, PR, TB, and DY plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what the stable oxidation state present in lanthanide? It's plus 3. Yes, so many government exams ask in oxidation state. But lanthanide is variable. Actinide is variable oxidation state, plus 3, plus 4. Yes, S block element, alkali metal element, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubium, cesium, francium. KO2 is used in space capsule. KO2, O2 negative, yes, no?
Yes.
So many exam ask. What the increasing order of oxidizing power of oxide, peroxide, and superoxide?
So first is oxide, then peroxide, then superoxide.
Yes. Oxide is paramagnetic, diamagnetic, colorless, and colored. Oxide, peroxide, superoxide.
Oxide is para diamagnetic.
Yes, right. Superoxide is paramagnetic and colored. Oxide peroxide is dimagnetic and colorless.
Yes, sir.
Is what the stability order of S block, P block, D block element in periodic table?
So D block are more stable. Order, I don't know.
Any example of metal, non-metal and metalloid? क्वेश्चन कई एग्जामों में आया हुआ है. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन.
Met So metal is sodium, magnesium, copper, zinc, and non-metal is boron, carbon, oxygen, and metalloid is silicon and silicon, germanium.
Boron is metal and metalloid and non-metal. Boron.
Boron is metalloid, I guess.
Yes. How many elements present in gaseous form in periodic table? Most important question.
Yes, yes, form
Six. Total six.
6.
Why mercury present in liquid form in periodic table?
Uh, Room temperature, it boiling point is less, I guess.
Is what the electronic configuration of copper?
Copper is argon, and then 4s1, 3d10.
Yes. S block element. Which metal is so is peroxide, oxide, superoxide? Alkali metal S.